Hello, my name is Lady Tatiana Orjuela. I am 24 years old. I am from San Jose del Guaviare. I live in the street San Jorge 2 neighbor. I am a student of psychology and currently worldwide social prosperity. In my free time, I like to read, listen to music, to praise God. I am like to watch some television programs, Naked Supervival, and Alert Heart the iPod. My family, it is like with my mother Anita. She is 45, and my two brother Santiago is 10 years old, and Luna is 17 years old. We are a united family. We always like to be in solidarity with the people who need it with our God-fearing family.